Hello you guys, welcome back to another 12 days of Christmassy vlogs, just what we're doing, what we're up to. Today is Monday. It is actually pretty late in the day now and I did just make my bed, that is correct. It is 2 p.m. but I've actually been up since like 6:15 this morning because I already went to a Pilates class today, which was really hard and really good, and I've just been doing some work, editing. You gonna come say hi? Yeah, Will's working, he works from home, and look at the outfit, sweats and a nice shirt.
Nice shirt.
But yeah, so I've already been to Pilates. I actually wore this really cute, let me show you. This is like my favorite workout set at the moment, and I just ordered it in black as well. It's like a little, sorry, you can't really see because I got the sweatshirt on, but it's like this little t-shirt, and if you like super appropriate, however you want to wear it, little long legging set, and it's like $30, which is so good for 2 pieces considering it's also full length. So this is what I wore to Pilates, and of course I wore my little UGG platform dupes because I'm obsessed with them, although I think I said in the last vlog they're a Christmas present, so they're like they're what?
They are a Christmas present.
I know, I said they are. These are an early Christmas present, right, Will?
No!
Will's mad because I just couldn't help myself. I did pick these out when I ordered them, and I was like, I have to see if they fit, and then
See if they fit.
we did decide I could have him early. He's throwing a fit over there, but he is letting me have them early because also I did want to like share them with you guys because I feel like it's such a great gift because they're $80, which I still think is like expensive for a shoe, but real UGG platforms are $160 and they're sold out everywhere. So it's like pretty fun and they're fuzzy and they're really cute. But anyways, so I wore those and I went to Crep Protect them today, which I don't know if you guys know what that is, but it's like a spray you can put on your shoes which helps kind of make them water resistant and just protects them and keeps them from getting damaged from outside wear. And Will always uses it because he loves his shoes. Anyways, I went to do it and there was barely anything in there, but I was like, oh, I think I have enough. I only had enough to do one shoe. So one shoe is protected, the other is not, so I've ordered more. But anyway, because even today it was raining, so you can see there's like a little bit of like dirt on that and stuff. So anyway, that is that. I'm about to go shower because I need to get ready for basically what this vlog is about. We are taking one of our really good friends to a Clippers versus Celtics game today in Los Angeles for his birthday. So the game's at like 7:30 tonight. And we're really stoked to be taking him. I don't think he's ever been to an NBA game either, and we're taking his wife, which is like my best friend as well. So as for our going, we got us tickets and we get to go into the Amex lounge because my husband has an American Express and it's one of the perks that for now, they're probably changing the rules soon, but you can bring it up to 3 people. So we're gonna take them in, we get some drinks, but I need to get ready for that whole experience. I'm gonna vlog while I'm there. I need to see if I can actually take my camera into the crypto.com arena or whatever it's called, so I may have to vlog my phone when I'm there, but I'm going to vlog the getting ready process because I'm actually going to do like a whole ponytail attachment thing. But we need to get showered and I'll show you what I'm going to wear, trying to make a jersey look cute and all of that, so let's just get right into it. Friendly reminder to wash your bath mat. I washed it yesterday and my husband was like, do we need to do that? And I swear it looks like a different bath mat. So yes, Will, we did need to do that. Alexa, play country music. Alright, you guys, I just did my makeup. I'm actually on live with you guys. Got the whole setup. So we did our makeup together and I'm going to use this synthetic ponytail. This is from Bellamy. It's just in the shade red. They only have one shade, and I'm gonna lightly flat iron it to get out some of these kinks, and then I'm also gonna spray some Unite texture spray on it to kind of make it less shiny, and we're gonna slick back my hair and do this whole ponytail moment and see how comfortable it is as well. With Bellamy, I have discount code, of course, and Unite I have discount code too if you want either of those products. Those will be linked down below, but we're gonna lightly smooth this out. You can use heat on a flat iron. I mean, you can use heat on synthetic hair like with a flat iron, but you just have to make sure it's on low heat. So mine's on 300 currently. So let's smooth this out. you guys. So you saw me probably do my hair. I got my ponytail in.
Woo!
This is from Bellamy, and I got dressed. So you can see we're ready for the Clippers towel back up. I'm just wearing Will's jersey. I actually got you that jersey.
Yeah, she did. Fun story, actually.
One time we went to a Clippers game years ago when we were dating, like probably like 2018 something. And I walked in and they're like, hey, can you like be in a commercial thing for us and we'll give you free merch? And I was like, heck yeah. Anyway, so I got that jersey. This one Will's got at some point. I think Will got given it as a gift. Anyway, so it's a little obviously massive on me. I'm just gonna wear tights because it's cold. I got a turtleneck underneath it, and then I'm gonna throw on, I'll show you. I would love to just wear a platform Uggs, but it wouldn't match. So I'm wearing these boots, which are actually really comfortable considering how high they are. I'm just gonna bring this like leather blazer jacket, and then my JW pay bag, actually given to me by my bestie, Hannah, who we are seeing tonight. So yeah, we're hoping it goes well. The reality is people are at work today, including the birthday boy who we're taking, and depending on what time he gets out of work and gets home and then drives to the venue
at 5 p.m.
Yeah, at traffic, we may not get to sit in the lounge because we may not be able to get in, because Will and I are going to go down early and get in line, but we won't go in until they're there. So if they end up not being there or something, we'll obviously wait for them. Anyway, so we may not get to sit in the lounge, but we probably will still get drinks, and worst comes to worst, we'll take our drinks up to our nosebleed seats. But
I think those rates are underrated.
it's just gonna be funny. We'll see what happens. Will and I are gonna get there early, but not sure if they'll be able to with work and stuff, so we'll see. But that's basically what's going on. I'm just gonna finish the last few things before we leave. I think we're gonna take some snacks with us in the car, and we're gonna head over. And then yeah, we'll check in when there's more to tell. All right, just on our way in the car.
I'm on my way.
Will's wearing my sunglasses because
because I left mine in the apartment.
Yeah, I think we left them in the apartment, but I think they're in the apartment because I had them in my purse.
I think I look pretty glam though.
You do. We're just on the freeway. The sun is setting.
Oh, it's basically set now.
It's basically set, yeah.
I can take
it was a really nice night. And we're gonna make it. I was just looking up the rules. I'm pretty sure I can't bring my vlog camera in.
What?
So I'll be vlogging on my phone, which is fine. I actually don't know if they want you like recording any video, but I think it depends on the event. I think obviously because they do so many sorts of events, they give it like a general rule. You can definitely record on your phone because people are recording videos the whole time, but I definitely cannot bring in this camera because I just don't want to be told to go back to our car.
Yeah,
and stuff, which is fine, whatever. Beautiful LA.
Look at that.
We are back. This is another clip on the high def camera. I said the last one would be the last. Anyways, our friends update. They are landing. The Eagles landing outside the Clippers game at 5:52. They need to literally be in line with us at 6 to get in and whatever, get spots in the lounge or whatever. So I have some hope. I'm hoping that they can park close and that it works out. So we're hoping. We're praying they make it. It's busy. And our friends aren't here yet.
It's busy.
So busy. We're close to the line, so they made it. Hannah and Simon are here. We're in line. For you posing?
I thought it was a picture.
Will's getting us in to the lounge, so.
Well, we're not in yet.
Well, I know. Oh, we made it, y'all. We made it. There's getting some drinks. There they are. We made it. They're warming up. Okay, guys. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Simon.
Happy birthday, Simon.
Cheers.
So there was a guy like.
Will, how's the fry?
That was great. We just had to take a photo of Annabelle and Hannah. Had to move the trash can and everything.
Anything for the shot, right?
Anything for the shot.
Clippers! Delicioso. You can eat it.
Homina. Here she is. Is it good? What are you saying? Happy days.
We just wanted Chick-fil-A sandwich.
Yeah, we just want 3 Chick-fil-A sandwiches.
At least we think. We're leaving the game early because we're like so tired. Hannah's like half jet lagged from New York.
It's
like,
starting to give fever dream.
I know.
Game. I don't feel like I'm actually here.
But we did get Chick-fil-A sandwiches. Because they missed 2 free throws? Free throws. It's a taco store. Anyway,
Free throws.
so we get a Chick-fil-A sandwich.
Tongue twister.
The boys are going to the bathroom and then we're gonna go to the car. So tired. You guys, hello. We are back on the vlog camera. In the car on the way home. I last saw you on my phone telling you with Hannah how tired we were. I've definitely woken up since then. We just like got the sleepies and was telling you that we wanted a Chick-fil-A sandwich, but I don't think we're gonna get it because we have to get it before 10:30 a.m. tomorrow.
I don't know how we get it as well.
And we're not getting it right now. I think you have to get it through the app or something. Anyways, we haven't quite figured that out, but it is exciting for those that will redeem it. But the game was great. The Clippers won, of course, because they're great. Poor Celtics fans. There was a lot of them there. We had a great night. It was fun to celebrate Simon's birthday, and literally, okay, I have a story for you guys. So we were in line for the doors. The doors don't open until 6, so we got there early just to get in line, but we didn't think our friends were even going to make it for 6, so Will and I were just going to still go in, and anyways, whatever. Literally, they like park, they come over, they literally join us in line when I am literally about to enter the building. I'm literally going through security, and Will like was waving at them because he could see them walking. He's like, oh, we're over here, over here, over here. And while he's doing that, the security's like, okay, next. And so I literally, I don't know if I told you this, because I knew that they were going to make it, but I just was like, because the line was so long and we were waiting for them to join us or whatever. And she was like, okay, and I was like, do I need to take off my scarf? She's like, no. I was like, do I need to take off my jacket? She's like, no. Can you open your purse? And so I was like, open my purse, and I like took out my wallet. She's like, okay, yeah, you're fine. I was like, oh, okay, great. And like in that time where I just like didn't like, you know, I didn't like move so fast. I just like kind of like talked to her, asked how her night was going or whatever. Will, Hannah, and Simon, our friends, joined us right in time to get into security with us, which is great. And the people behind us were so nice. So they were just like, yeah, of course, like your friends, you know, like you've been waiting in line. But we just thought that they would be able to like be there, I think like right before 6. And they got there literally like 6:02, 6:03. So it was literally perfect and it all worked out. I don't think this is like focusing on me, probably because the lighting is weird. But yeah, it was just so funny because it was like so chaotic, but it literally worked out perfectly. So, and then Will found a table for us up in the lounge. We all got to sit together super easily, and yeah, it was great. We had such a fun time. So, yeah, that's basically the end of this vlog. The end of my second 12 days of Christmas fun vlogs coming along with things that we're doing. We are so tired, so we're gonna go to bed as soon as we get home because I have.
We should start day 3 of the vlogs going to get the chicken sandwich.
Oh my gosh, I know. Because I have a workout class tomorrow morning, so like I need to go to bed. It's 10:30 p.m. in case you're wondering. But love you guys. Make sure you subscribe. And like I said before, an exciting surprise is coming. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Once I have all the details, I will of course announce it. But I love y'all, and I'll see you in my next video. You want to say bye? Love a kiss?
Bye.
Love a kiss? Okay, bye.